Have you ever wondered about the mystery that lies beneath the surface of the world's oceans? The ocean, covering over 70% of our planet, holds an intricate labyrinth of life and ecosystems, each more fascinating than the last. It's not just a vast body of water, it's a complex web of life, hiding secrets that we've barely begun to unravel. Our oceans are a tapestry of ecosystems, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. From the sunlit surface to the deepest abyss, the ocean is divided into different layers and zones, each harboring a unique ecosystem. The sunlit surface, known as the epipelagic zone, is teeming with life, from microscopic phytoplankton to colossal whales. Dive a little deeper, and we encounter the mesopelagic zone, often called the twilight zone, where light begins to fade, and creatures adapt to a world of shadows. Venture even further into the ocean's depths, and you'll find the bathypelagic zone, aptly named the midnight zone, where light is but a distant memory. Here, life takes on an alien form, with creatures equipped to survive in a world of darkness and extreme pressure. Finally, we reach the abyssopelagic zone, a realm of perpetual darkness, home to some of the most mysterious and fascinating creatures on our planet. But the ocean's intrigue doesn't end with its layers. It also consists of distinct ecosystems, each serving a unique purpose and housing a myriad of marine species. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, offer shelter and sustenance to a quarter of all marine species. Kelp forests, the underwater jungles, serve as nurseries for young fish, while also helping to maintain the ecological balance of coastal areas. And then there's the deep sea environment, a world of extremes where life thrives against all odds. It's a world we're only beginning to understand thanks to technological advancements that allow us to venture into these uncharted territories. As we navigate through this journey, it's crucial to remember the vital role the ocean plays in maintaining life on Earth. It's not just a body of water, it's a life-sustaining force, a world teeming with diverse ecosystems and remarkable species, all intricately interconnected. Now, let's dive deeper and explore the first of these remarkable ecosystems, the vibrant coral reefs. Imagine a bustling city under the sea, teeming with life and color. This is a coral reef. In the world beneath the waves, coral reefs represent the pinnacle of biodiversity. Often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, these vibrant ecosystems are built by tiny architects called coral polyps. These minute creatures, often no larger than a grain of rice, are the foundation of a complex and thriving metropolis of marine life. Coral reefs are the embodiment of ecological interdependence. They provide shelter and breeding grounds for an astonishing variety of species, from the tiniest seahorses to the most majestic sea turtles. This makes them a treasure trove of biodiversity, harboring nearly a quarter of all marine species on our planet. But these underwater cities are more than just a spectacle of color and life. They play a vital role in the health of our oceans and our planet. They act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from the devastating impacts of waves and storms. Additionally, they are crucial to the livelihoods of millions of people, providing food, tourism revenue, and even medicinal compounds. However, these thriving ecosystems are under threat. Rising ocean temperatures, overfishing, and pollution are causing widespread coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel the colorful algae living in their tissues, turning them white. This not only robs the reefs of their vibrant hues, but also weakens them, making them more susceptible to disease and death. Despite these challenges, there's hope. Around the world, scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and restore these underwater cities. Through efforts like coral farming and transplantation, they're helping to rebuild damaged reefs, while advocating for policies that mitigate climate change and promote sustainable fishing practices. As we leave the bustling city of coral reefs, we drift towards the towering structures of the ocean, the kelp forests. The journey through the ocean's diverse ecosystems continues, reminding us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of its preservation. Enter the world of kelp forests, where towering seaweed creates a unique underwater landscape. Picture a forest, but not as we know it. This one sways rhythmically with the ocean's pulse, its canopy not of leaves and branches, but of flexible, floating fronds. Welcome to the underwater jungles, a kingdom of kelp. These are not your ordinary weeds. Kelp are giants of the sea, some species growing up to 2 feet per day and reaching heights of 100 feet or more. Kelp forests are a spectacle of productivity and life. They form a dense, three-dimensional habitat, providing food and shelter for an array of marine creatures. From the tiniest invertebrates to the majestic sea otters and seals, kelp forests are bustling with biodiversity. They serve as nurseries for fish, offering protection to the young from predators, and they are a buffet for herbivores, offering hearty meals of algae. But the significance of kelp extends beyond the ocean. By harnessing sunlight for photosynthesis, kelp forests absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, thus playing a crucial role in mitigating climate change. They also act as buffers, protecting coastlines from storm surges and erosion. However, these underwater jungles face challenges. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and invasive species threaten their survival. Sea urchins, for instance, can decimate kelp forests when their natural predators are removed, resulting in what's known as urchin barrens, desolate underwater wastelands where lush kelp forests once thrived. The story of kelp forests is one of beauty and fragility, resilience and vulnerability. It's a tale that underscores the intricate interconnections of life beneath the waves and reminds us of our role in preserving these watery wonderlands. Our exploration of the ocean's ecosystems is far from over. From the sunlit realms of kelp forests, we now journey into the dark, mysterious world of the deep sea. The deep sea, a world of perpetual darkness and extreme conditions, is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. This realm, often referred to as the final frontier, is filled with intrigue and mystery. Here, life exists in ways that challenge our understanding of biology, pushing the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. This environment is one of the most extreme on Earth, where pressure intensifies with every foot of descent, temperatures plummet to just above freezing, and sunlight is a forgotten luxury. Yet life thrives here, in the form of bizarre and bioluminescent creatures uniquely adapted to their harsh surroundings. Imagine the anglerfish with its eerie luminescent lure, or the giant squid locked in epic battles with sperm whales. These denizens of the deep have evolved incredible adaptations to survive in an environment that would be inhospitable to most other forms of life. They're a testament to the resilience and diversity of life on Earth. But how do we know all this about a place so inaccessible and hostile? The answer lies in the ingenuity of human technology. The development of remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, has given us a window into this alien world. These machines, guided by skilled operators from the safety of research vessels, navigate the inky depths, capturing stunning footage and collecting invaluable data about this uncharted ecosystem. Yet despite these advancements, the deep sea remains largely unexplored. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the deepest parts of our own oceans. This vast expanse of water, covering more than 2/3 of our planet, holds countless secrets yet to be unveiled. The deep sea, much like the rest of our oceans, holds many more mysteries waiting to be discovered. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, we are reminded of the importance of these underwater realms, not only for the richness of life they harbor, but also for the role they play in the broader health of our planet. Our journey into the final frontier has only just begun. Our journey through the ocean's ecosystems underscores their immense value and the urgency of their preservation. As we've journeyed through the vibrant coral reefs, the towering kelp forest, and the enigmatic deep-sea environments, we've glimpsed the intricate web of life that thrives beneath the waves. Each of these ecosystems plays a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. Yet, they face significant threats from human activity, threats that necessitate urgent action. Coral reefs, the rainforest of the sea, are under siege from climate change and pollution. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching, a phenomenon that saps corals of their vibrant colors and life-sustaining algae. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices further jeopardize these ecosystems, disrupting the balance of marine populations. Kelp forests, the underwater jungles, are not immune either. Excessive nutrient runoff from land can lead to harmful algal blooms, while unchecked sea urchin populations can decimate kelp stands. Even the deep sea, the final frontier, faces the looming threat of exploitation. As we deplete resources on land, the allure of untapped mineral wealth in the deep sea grows stronger. Yet, mining the deep sea could wreak havoc on its fragile ecosystems, many of which we still know so little about. But there is hope. Conservation efforts across the globe are making strides to protect these invaluable ecosystems. Marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and initiatives to curb pollution are part of a larger strategy to safeguard our oceans. Yet, the responsibility doesn't rest solely with governments and organizations. Each one of us has a part to play. By making conscious choices like reducing our carbon footprint, Minimizing our use of single-use plastics and supporting sustainable seafood, we can contribute to the health of our oceans. So, let's remember, our oceans are not just a source of wonder and intrigue. They are the lifeblood of our planet, a blue heart beating with every wave, nurturing life in all its dazzling diversity. The future of our oceans and indeed our planet lies in our hands. May we all play our part in preserving these invaluable treasures.